Let me create a new lead over my Zoho CRM and you will see the magic further. So as I have clicked over this create lead, I'm on this page where I'm going to add the details of my new lead. So here I have added the details of my lead having the first name, demo, phone number, its company, last name and the email. Now let's save it. And right here you can see that I have successfully created a new lead having the name demo lead. And now an instant alert will be sent to my Telegram regarding this newly added lead over my Zoho CRM. So now let's wait for a few minutes because Zoho CRM is a polling based trigger. So now let's move on towards my Telegram. Its time is over and right here I'm on my Telegram where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this message which says new lead received, and right here I'm getting all the details of my lead. So now you can see that as soon as I have created a new lead over my Zoho CRM, an instant alert is sent to my Telegram regarding that particular lead. So now you can also integrate your Zoho CRM with Telegram to sending automated alerts to your team regarding newly received lead. And you can do this by just using one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that will help you to integrate your business applications and automate your entire business task. So right now I have integrated my Zoho CRM with Telegram. So now let me show you how you can also integrate your business application by just using this automation tool. And no worries, you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this automation. You just have to simply integrate your applications. And by using Pabbly Connect, you can integrate varieties or thousands of business applications. So let's move on towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can access by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the homepage of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free. And Pabbly Connect is currently offering you the free trial. So you can try these automations for freely inside Pabbly Connect and test it according to your business. And if this feels really helpful and you want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. And now let's move on towards the workflow page where it is asking me to select my trigger. So right here I'm going to select my trigger application as Zoho CRM, as I want to initiate this workflow as soon as I create a new lead over my Zoho CRM. So here I'm going to select the app event as new module entry and click over this connect button. And right here we are on the connection page where for building a new connection you just have to click over this button, that is connect with Zoho CRM. And now it is asking me to enter the domain. So for getting the domain, let's move on towards the Zoho CRM account where on the search bar you can see that we are getting this domain, that is zoho.in, which is required. So here I'm going to enter my domain, that is zoho.in, and click over this save button. And right here I'm going to allow the access. So I'm going to just click over this accept button. And here you can see that the connection has been built in so smoothly. And now we can automatically fetch the leads created over our Zoho CRM account. So here I'm going to select the module through which I want to receive the lead. So here I'm going to select it as leads, and here I'm going to just click over the save and send test request. And our Pabbly Connect will automatically fetch the latest lead created over the Zoho CRM. So for that, let's move on towards my Zoho CRM account where I'm going to create a new lead by simply selecting this create lead button. And now let's provide all the details. So right here I have provided all the necessary details of my user, that is the first name, last name, company name, email and the phone number. Now let's save it, and here you can see that my lead has been successfully created. And now as I will click over the save and send test request, my Pabbly Connect will fetch the latest lead I have created named as first user. And here you can see that I'm receiving all the details having the same company name, email and the rest of the details too. So now as we are having the response, I'm going to notify my team regarding this new lead that is first user. And for that, we are going to use our action application as Telegram. But I want to tell you one thing, that Zoho CRM is a polling based trigger. Means it is going to fetch the data after a certain unit of time. So here for setting that trigger time, you just have to make a right click, and here we are getting this option for set trigger time, which you have to select. And from here you can select the trigger time, which is set as check every 10 minutes. Means Pabbly Connect is going to check my Zoho CRM after every 10 minutes for a new lead. And now let's click over the save button, and here our trigger time has been set. Now let's move on towards our action application, that is going to be Telegram. So here I'm going to search for it, and right here we are getting this application. Now let's select the app event as send a text message or reply. And now let's click over this connect button, and right here we are on the connection page, where for building a new connection you have to enter the token. And for getting the token, let's move on towards my Telegram account with me. So right here I'm on my Telegram account, where you have to search for the bot father. And right here you can see that I'm getting bot father, which I'm going to select. And now let's start it. And right here we are going to create a new bot by simply selecting this new bot, and here it is asking me to choose a name for my bot. So now let's provide it. So here I'm going to provide this name, that is Zoho CRM1, and now it says that this name should end with word bot. So now let's enter it. So here I'm going to provide this name, and here you can see that this token has been generated, which I'm going to copy and paste over the Pabbly Connect. And now let's save it. And right here the connection has been built in, and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting is for entering the chat ID. So let's move on towards the Telegram account again, where let's start a new bot, that is Zoho CRM1 bot. And now this bot will help us to fetch the latest lead and notify the team over a group. So if you want to create a new group, then you can just simply create it. But right now I'm going to add this bot to an existing group. So here you can see that I'm having this group named as leads. And now I'm going to add this particular bot to this group so that it can send messages to this group. So here I'm going to add it. And here you can see that I'm getting this bot, which I'm going to add. And here you can see that this bot has been added successfully to my group. Now I have to provide admin permission to this bot so that it can send messages to this particular group. So for that, let's provide the admin permission. So here I'm going to add it as admin. And here you can see that this bot has got admin permission, means now it can send messages to this particular group. And now here you can see on the search bar we are getting this chat ID, which is required over the Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to enter this chat ID, and now it is asking me to enter the text message which I want to send to my Telegram. So now let's enter it. So this is the message which I'm going to send to my user, and here after this word name, I'm going to enter the name of the lead which I have just created over my Zoho CRM account. So now you might be thinking that I have to manually type it like this. But no, because Pabbly Connect provides us a method called as mapping, by using which we just have to map the data. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from the response which I'm receiving from Zoho CRM, as this is my previous application. And the process is so simple. You just have to select the field and press this slash symbol. And right here we are getting our previous application, that is Zoho CRM. So from its response, I'm going to map the user's name. So right here you can see that we are getting the full name of the user, which I'm going to map. Now likewise I'm going to map the email address, so I'm going to search for it. And here we are getting this email address, so I'm going to map it. Now let's map the rest of the details likewise. So here I have mapped all these fields, and these fields are dynamic, means these will be replaced as the new lead will be created over your Zoho CRM account. So now you don't have to manually check for the leads and notify your team again and again, because this automation is going to instantly do it for your business. And now we are getting all these fields which are not necessary, and from here you can select your pass mode either as HTML or Markdown. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request to send this data to the Telegram. And right here I'm on my Telegram group where you can see that this bot which I have just created named as Zoho CRM1 is successfully sending me the messages consisting all the details of my user, having its name, email, phone number, and the company which I have just created over my Zoho CRM. So now you have seen that how easy this is to integrate some applications in Pabbly Connect and automate the entire task. So you can also create automations like this and many more amazing automations such as integrating your forms with WhatsApp, and you can even send WhatsApp messages and can automate your entire WhatsApp by using an application provided by Pabbly called as Pabbly Chat Flow. So Pabbly is there for you for automating your entire business task. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.